Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to verify your 22bet account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First of all, open your web browser, then on the search bar, type in 22bet.com. Once you type it in, press enter. Then you will get to this web page. Now on this web page, you'll have to log into your account. So click on this login button. Then they will ask you to enter your login credentials. Enter it, and in case if you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link to reset it. Once you have entered your details, click on this login button. Then you'll be logged into your account. Now to verify your account, all you have to do is click on your profile at the top bar. Then click on your personal profile option. Scroll down and here you will your email address. So go to your email address. Once you go to the email address, you should receive a similar kind of email. Once you receive this kind of email, click on this button where it says activate account, and once you click on it, your account will be verified. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks.